For 50 years, American shoe stores used radiation machines on children's feet. They were called fluoroscopes. Kids stepped in. A clerk pressed a button. X-rays shot straight through living bone. The machines were unregulated. No safety limits, no protective gear. Children used them on every shopping trip. Some kids were scanned 10, 15 times in a single year. The radiation dose was massive, far beyond what doctors used in hospitals. Store clerks stood over these machines all day, every day. Some developed sores that never healed. Some lost fingers. Some developed cancers years later and never knew why. The shoe industry knew the risks by the 1950s. Studies existed. Warnings were written. Business kept going anyway. Some states banned the machines. The federal government never did. No national law, no recall, no warning sent to parents. The last machines were not removed until the 1970s. An entire generation was exposed. Nobody was ever charged. No family was ever told. Follow Midnight Whisper. A new dark secret drops tonight at 7.